Hello everyone, welcome to the English Chat channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to English Chat channel, where English is easy, simple, and enjoyable. My name is Sarah. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we have a story, a real-life situation. Imagine this. You are in a new city. You are hungry, and you enter a restaurant for the first time. In this video, you will learn how to order food in a restaurant and start a conversation with confidence. So listen carefully and answer my question in the comments. What food did Alice order? That help you improve your English and stay focused. So don't be shy. Share your answer in the comments. The answer is mentioned in the conversation. But before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps our channel grow and reach more learners around the world. Your support means everything and helps us create even better content for you. Let's begin.
Hey, David, I'm really tired today. I've been walking for a long time.
Yes, I can see that. You look a bit exhausted.
And I'm very hungry too. I didn't eat anything since morning.
Me too, and I am so hungry.
Look over there. There's a restaurant. It looks nice from outside.
Yes, it looks clean and quiet. The lights are warm.
I like it. There are some people inside, but it's not crowded.
That's perfect. Not too busy, so we can relax.
I feel better now. Maybe we can sit and rest for a while.
Good idea. We can check the menu and order something.
Yes, I hope they have something simple.
I'm sure they do. Most restaurants have pasta, burgers, and salads.
That sounds good. I think I want something light.
All right, let's go inside and see.
Okay, I feel a little nervous, but I'm ready.
Don't worry. Just walk in and say hello.
Yes, I'll try to speak clearly.
Great. Let's open the door and go in.
Let's go.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. How many people are in your group today?
Hi, thank you. We are 2 people, just me and Alice.
Great. Right this way, please. I will take you to a nice table near the window.
Thank you very much. That sounds perfect.
Here is your table. Please take a seat and make yourselves comfortable.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
I'm happy you like it. Would you like to take a look at the menu now?
Yes, please. We would like to see the menu first before ordering.
Of course. Here is the menu for both of you.
Thank you. We will take a few minutes to decide what to order.
No problem at all. I will come back shortly when you are ready.
Perfect. Thank you. I'm really hungry, so I'm excited to choose something delicious.
Can I get you something to drink while you are choosing your food?
Yes, thank you. I would like to have a glass of water for now.
Of course. And what about you, sir? Would you like something to drink as well?
Yes, I would like a cola, please.
All right, 1 water and 1 cola. I will bring your drinks in a few minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please take your time to look at the menu, and I will be back soon.
That sounds good. We will decide what to order while we wait. I'm looking at the menu carefully now. They have pasta, burgers, and fresh salads, and everything looks really good. I think I already know what I want to eat.
Yes, me too. I'm checking the menu as well, and I see many nice options. I don't want to spend too much time deciding, so I will choose a burger because it looks very tasty and filling.
That's a good choice. I also prefer to decide quickly today. I think I will order pasta because I really like pasta, and the description on the menu sounds delicious.
Perfect. Pasta and burger are both popular choices, so I think we made good decisions. It's nice that we both found something we like easily.
Yes, I agree. I feel comfortable with my choice. The pasta seems light, but at the same time it looks very satisfying and flavorful.
And my burger looks like a full meal. I'm sure it will be very tasty, especially with fries on a side, if they include them.
Yes, that sounds great. Now that we have both decided, we don't need to look at the menu anymore.
Right. We can close the menu and call the waiter to place our order.
Exactly. Let's call the waiter now and tell him our choices.
Yes, let's do that. I'm ready to order and start eating soon.
Me too. I'm really excited to try the food.
Hello again. Welcome back. Are you ready to order now, or would you like a little more time to decide?
Hello. Thank you. Yes, we are ready now. We have looked at the menu carefully, and we have already chosen what we want to eat.
That's great. Please tell me your order when you are ready.
I will have pasta, please. I chose pasta because it looks very delicious, and I enjoy eating it. I also think it is a good choice for today.
All right, one pasta for you. For the pasta, would you like it spicy or not spicy?
Not spicy, please. I prefer mild food, and I think it will be better for me.
Perfect. Not spicy pasta. And for you, sir?
I will have a burger, please. I chose the burger because it looks very tasty and it is a filling meal. I'm quite hungry today.
Good choice. For the burger, would you like it spicy or not spicy?
Not spicy, please. I prefer simple flavors, and I enjoy the natural taste of the food.
All right, one pasta not spicy and one burger not spicy. Would you like to add anything else, such as drinks, extra sides, or desserts?
No, thank you. We don't need anything else. That's all for me.
Yes, that's everything we would like to order. We are happy with our choices.
Perfect. I will send your order to the kitchen now. Please wait a few minutes and your food will be ready soon.
Yes, thank you. We're looking forward to our meal.
So, while we are waiting for our food, how was your day today?
It was quite busy. I had a lot of work to do, and I didn't have much free time during the day.
I understand. My day was also busy. I had meetings and many tasks, so I feel a bit tired now.
Yes, me too. That's why coming here and sitting in a nice restaurant feels relaxing.
Exactly. I'm glad we decided to come out and eat. It's a good way to take a break from work.
I agree. The atmosphere here is calm, and it helps us relax after a long day.
Yes, and we can talk and enjoy our time while we wait for the food.
That's right. It's nice to have this quiet moment and just rest for a while.
I'm happy we are here together. It makes the day feel better.
Me too. This is really nice.
Here is your food. I hope everything is correct and that you will enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. The pasta looks really delicious, and the presentation is nice too.
Yes, thank you. This burger looks great, and the fries look crispy and fresh.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, please let me know.
Sure, thank you. We will let you know if we need anything.
Yes, thank you for your help.
The food smells very good. I'm going to start eating now.
Me too. Everything looks fresh and tasty.
Yes, the pasta is warm and soft. It tastes really good.
My burger is very good as well. The flavor is nice and not too spicy, just how I like it.
That's great. I'm glad we chose well.
Yes, this was a good decision. Let's enjoy our meal.
Excuse me, could we please have the bill? We are ready to pay now.
Of course. I will bring the bill for you right away. Here you go.
Thank you. Could you tell us if we can pay by card?
Yes, of course. You can pay by card, cash, or both if needed.
Great. That's very helpful. We will pay by card.
Perfect. Please use the card machine here and follow the instructions on the screen.
All right, let me try. It should be quick and easy.
Yes, just insert or tap your card and confirm the payment.
Everything is done now. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Yes, it was a very nice meal. The food was delicious and the service was great.
I really enjoyed it as well. The pasta was very good, and the place is comfortable.
I'm happy to hear that. Thank you for visiting us, and have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you again.
So, how was it? You did an amazing job practicing with us. You learned how to enter a restaurant, order food, and greet people with confidence. Remember, simple sentences are enough. Just speak, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. And before you go, let's go back to our question. What food did Alice order? Write your answer in the comments. We're excited to read your answers. See you in the next lesson. Bye!